It's an honor to be teaching at Daniels, having graduated from Daniels. And then secondly, my goal was to give back and to help kind of share everything that I have seen and am seeing with the students that come through my classes and through my sessions. Yeah, so anybody that attends these classes has an open invitation to contact me for kind of continuing education light. I call them coffee breaks. And so we'll grab some coffee, talk about what's happened in the last 6 months, the last year. So what we do is we pepper in kind of their business woes and business issues throughout the first 2 days, and the day 3 is really spent focused on, okay, so let's take some of what we talked about the last 2 days and talk about what we're focusing on today, and then utilize that to come up with a good strategy moving forward for your business. You should come to this class. It's really good for you. It's better than Wheaties. You'll leave the class with a good sense of where the market is headed from a digital marketing perspective, and you have a support team. Myself and your peers in the class will go ahead and support you in the challenges that you face in your business.